Today, my adventure is going to take me to Birdland.
You can't add a single day by worrying. You worry your life away. Oh, don't worry your life away. You can't change a single thing by freaking out. It's just gonna close you in. Oh, don't let the trouble win. Feel alone, but you're not on your own. La, 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 la. If he can hold the world, he can hold this moment. La, 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 la. Now to feel no flower escapes his notice. Oh, even the sparrow knows he holds tomorrow. Lean in and it's hard to miss. Everything can change when you make it his. Oh, he wants to carry it, carefree in the care of God. When you let it go, you'll find that he's enough. Oh, you'll never leave his love. You don't walk alone. La, 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 la. If he can hold the world, he can hold this moment. La, 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 la. Now to feel no flower escapes his notice. Oh, even the sparrow knows he holds tomorrow. There's not a single star that's out of place. There's nothing broken he can't remake. If you long for hope when you're afraid, oh, look at the sparrow. Look at the sparrow. If he can hold the world, he can hold this moment. Now to feel no flower escapes his notice. Oh, even the sparrow knows he holds tomorrow. Even the sparrow knows he holds tomorrow.
Found in the Having Down Rock region on the eastern point of Providencia Isles, the Bird Rock area offers significant and tranquil wetlands and coast.
This year's felt like 4 seasons of winter, and you'd give.
The terrain here is mixed between low limestone buffers, mangrove waterways, and tide moraine marshes. It's a fascinating ecosystem and a great location to see many of the unique saline resin plants common to the country's wetlands.
His love is the reason to keep on believing. When you feel like giving up, when you feel like
The area is also a great location for bird watching. Great herons, Antillean nighthawks, banquets, ospreys, does, mangrove cocoons, and other species frequent the area.
on everything, every hour, every minute, every second. He's always been in it. Don't let a shadow of a doubt take hold. Hold on to what you already know. You put that explain. He's the hope in the heartbreak, the rest, and then when you feel like giving up, when you feel like giving in, His love is the reason to keep on believing. It's the reason, it's the reason, His love is the reason. He's the peace in the madness that you can't explain. He's the hope in the heartbreak, the
Let me tell you, oh my friends, about this joy I'm living in. Let me take the mic, go on and testify how I was dead and then I came to life. No more living in the dark of night. Now everything's alright. I've been changed, I've been saved, brand new day. I've been changed, I've been changed. Tell me why would I turn back now? There's no end to the love I found. Future's bright and there ain't no doubt. I've been changed, I've been changed. All my heartbreak fades away like a book when you turn the page. Let me take the mic, go on and testify how I was dead and then I came to life. No more living in the dark of night. Now everything's alright. I've been changed, I've been saved, brand new day. I've been changed, I've been changed. Tell me why would I turn back now? There's no end to the love I found. Future's bright and there ain't no doubt. I've been changed, I've been changed. I've been changed. I put my hands in the air 'cause I know you're there. Your love did something magical. I put my hands in the air 'cause you heard my prayer. A transformation radical. I put my hands in the air 'cause I know you're there. I know it's supernatural. I put my hands in the air 'cause you heard my prayer. I've been changed, I've been saved. I can feel it brand new day. I believe it, I've been changed. You know I believe it, brand new day. I believe it.
And that was my adventure to Bird Point. I hope you liked the video. Bye!